Hi everybody, my name's Mark. I'm the Dur-A-Lift production manager here at Dur-A-Lift in George, Iowa. Right behind me we've got a DTAX2 42 aerial lift on an F550 gas chassis and paired with our Knapheide 132-inch body. This aerial lift will go 42 feet in the air with a 47-foot working height. It has a 28-foot side reach, all with no outriggers. Paired with this Knapheide 132-inch body, it's got 40-inch side packs. It's got fully customizable compartments and shelves, as well as 94 inches wide. We've got storage all throughout, all with customizable shelf height and dividers. This is our Dur-A-Lift manufactured tail shelf. It's 30 inches wide and got a through box in it. We spray on our non-skid on our tail shelf and all the walking surfaces on the body itself. If you'd like to see this truck, come to the Knapheide booth at the Utility Expo, the East Lot, booth number 1031.